So apparently my nephew was fighting some Jedis, and it looks like he lost because it broke. So now I gotta figure out how to fix this. So it used to fit right in this little slot. I trimmed this down from the broken pieces. I took the screws out of this, so basically what I gotta do is make something that can fit in there and hold this piece. I measured this right here, and then I got the diameter of this, and I did a ton of prints of circles to make sure that it would fit. And after I was done, I modeled that, which became this. Almost fit, but I forgot the diameter of this that slides over it. It doesn't fit. So now I gotta make that smaller, and everything else worked out really good. Using the Focus Odin 5 3D printer and some Duramic PLA Plus. So this will be nice and strong. The print is done. I'll take all that stuff off. Looks like everything fits. All right, it's done. Moment of truth. Hope my nephew likes it.